Assalamu alaikum and welcome all. I hope that you will be happy and enjoying a healthy life. So viewers, today I will start with the tomato seedlings which I bought from the nursery and planted them yesterday. In today's video I will tell you that why did I buy new ones from the nursery and what happened with those seedlings which I have transplanted few days back. See, here are those tomato seedlings which I have transplanted in one of my previous videos, I think 10 to 15 days ago. But after 3 to 4 days, they started wilting badly and ultimately they died. So I have planted new seedlings replacing the old ones, but even those one died within few days. I think the reason was that those seeds were expired because I did not have their packet saved with me. You must be wondering that why did I use those seeds if I was not sure about their expiry date. In fact, these seeds I was using from 2016 onwards until last year. They gave me very good production. You can see all this. These are from the same seeds. So I thought this year again they will produce same way, but unfortunately it was their expiry time. And now you can see their status. We can't even find their dead bodies. This situation gave me a lot of tension. But even then I did not give up and finally decided to buy these seedlings plus new seeds. I have already told you about these ones in the last video. Now you can see that they have started sprouting also. And these tomato seedlings I have already planted. Now I will plant all these vegetable seedlings, and meanwhile I will tell you why I was tensed and why I'm sharing it with you today. Surely it would be informative and motivating for you. So I was telling you that why these tomatoes seedlings gave me a lot of tension. It was not because I have invested a lot of hard work and money on it, but most worrying factor was the time, as I have spent around 1 month on experimenting with those seeds and growing seedlings from them. So now hard work and money can be spent again, but time can't be bought again. But in fact, why I'm sharing this bad experience with you? As no one would like to share their failures. In fact, I have two reasons to share this with you. Number one is I have promised myself to be genuine and truthful to my audience on this channel. So no manipulation, so that you can learn from my good experiences and my bad experiences as well. As here, by this experiment, we have learned not to waste time by experimenting on old seeds, because it's risky. Sometimes they are not old enough, so they will turn up well, but most of the time they are older than the dates mentioned on the packet. So in that case, it would be waste of time. So I would suggest to buy new seeds every season. It will save our time and effort. Or even you can directly buy seedlings like the ones I bought. The second reason to share it with you is to make you understand the fact that we are growing organic. So it won't give us the results as farmers get when they grow it commercially using chemicals. So in organic gardening, we face a lot of wastage at every stage, during germination, during transplantation, then while flowering, then by pest attack, and after fruiting, birds attack. These kind of things waste a lot of seedlings and plants and fruit as well, because we are not using chemicals or even chemical sprays. So in home gardening, even if we can grow 1 or 2 healthy plants and can get few pieces of fruits from them, then it would be enough to excite us. So this was all about I have learned from tomato seedlings and have planted new vegetable seedlings also. And these tiny seedlings have taught us not to give up. Keep trying with patience and hope that Almighty will bless us with fruit, inshallah. Now next time I will show you other experiments, means those vegetables which I have grown from old seeds itself, but so far they are doing well. Till then, take good care of yourself, stay blessed, and Allah Hafiz.